Have you ever dreamed of walking onto your roof and harvesting fresh vegetables? Imagine the skyline around you as a backdrop to your urban garden. By 2030, cities will transform into sustainable food ecosystems. Urban farming will bring fresh produce right to our plates. Are you tired of overpaying for food that's traveled thousands of miles? The solution lies on our rooftops, ready to empower local communities. Rooftop farming is a revolutionary way to cut carbon footprints and enhance sustainability. Let's dive into how this movement is changing our cities. Modern techniques like hydroponics and aeroponics allow us to grow crops quickly. These methods use 90% less water than traditional farming methods. Lightweight soil alternatives and waterproofing systems protect buildings. They create productive ecosystems in urban settings. You can grow a variety of plants tailored to your city's unique climate. This means more fresh produce available year-round, regardless of weather conditions. Rooftop farming means no middlemen. This approach reduces costs and significantly cuts food waste caused by transportation damage. Community-supported agriculture connects neighbors and nourishes community resilience. By growing food on rooftops, we reconnect residents with their sources of sustenance. Local production ensures maximum freshness. This is crucial in fighting urban food deserts in underserved neighborhoods. Rooftop farms provide natural insulation too. This leads to lower cooling costs in summer and reduced heating needs in winter. The vegetation also absorbs rainwater. This significantly lightens the burden on our aging sewer systems during storms. Green rooftops enhance urban air quality. They create vital corridors for pollinators, such as bees and birds. City planners are starting to incentivize green roofs with tax credits. These policies accelerate the installation process, promoting a greener future. We are also seeing food waste composting loops emerging in urban areas. This turns apartment waste into nutrient-rich soil, supporting a circular economy. By 2026, urban centers will become decentralized green producers. We will no longer be passive consumers of resources. Rooftop farming is truly transforming our cities into sustainable communities. Join the movement for a fresher, greener future. Ready to support local agriculture? Check out rooftop farming initiatives in your area and get involved today.